Is it possible to conceal a hidden message inside a video file or an image? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, step-by-step guidelines, the theory behind it, and what are the real-life use cases of this requirement. So, watch till the end. The term is called steganography. So every video, every image stores in your computer using ones and zeros, binary values. So every color you see in the computer stored in your hard disk as ones and zeros. For example, we'll take the color red. The color red has a binary value of this, and it will, we can convert it to decimal value and it will be 255. And what steganography does is, it will actually replace the last few digits, like 2 or 3 digits of that particular binary file, and you replace it with the part of the message you want to conceal inside the image. This change will not be visible for the human eye. So if you like what you see in this video, or you are learning something new in this video, subscribe to the channel or like to the video will be amazing. This change is actually very sensitive. If you do any changes to the image file or the video file, this particular value, the hidden value you are embedding to the file, will also change. Please remember, these changes can't be done for text documents. You will need at least video files or image files. So let's see how we can do this.
For this tutorial, I'm using Parrot Security 4.10. This is a special operating system full of penetration testings and hacking tools. I'll be doing a separate video about this amazing platform. This is the text I'm gonna hide inside this image. You can use any image or media file of your choosing for this. You can follow these steps and test this out by yourselves. So let's open the terminal and type this command. I'm creating a copy of the same image with the text concealed inside and give a different name to recognize easily. The passphrase you are using will be required when you are extracting the content from the image file again. As you can see, there are no visible changes to the file or the content. To extract the content from the image file, I am opening the terminal again and running this command. Also, I'm giving a new file name to the text I'm extracting from the image file using the same passphrase given earlier. As you can see, the content extracted and the content embedded are the same.
So it's a really cool technique, right? Seems like we are in a spy movie. But actually, in the real life, this is used for something different. Usually, film production organizations, art galleries, or whoever produces these images or owners of these images can embed a certain file to their videos or their images so that the authenticity of the file can be verified. It will be like a copyright statement or copyright logo embedded inside a video file or the image file. So the idea is you can track the movement of the video file or the image file in the internet. This is actually done by the movie and music studios currently in the world. Additionally, you can detect plagiarism using this technique. Alright, I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you are a developer who like to implement new steganography techniques or algorithms, you can do that also. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week in a new video. Peace.